Burundi, we got Bosco with us. If you ever need views, if you ever in Burundi, guys, this is a good spot to come. You can book your 1 to 3. Right, guys, we got Innocent. He worked on trying it, but if you ever here and it's beautiful, you can see the clouds. On Boeing 737-800 all the way from Kigali to Bujumbura, and that's Rwanda Air right behind you as well. So here we go, foodie, over and out. I'm reached to Burundi Airport. As you can see behind it is Burundi Airport. So welcome to Burundi Bujumbura Airport. We just landed over here. So let's rumble from here. Hi guys, welcome to Bujumbura. This is Sal from Here We Go Foodie. Today we are in Burundi. As a lot of people know, that Burundi, a lot of people have said it's a very, very poor country, but I think it's wrong. There's a lot of stability in the country as well, and we'll show you the local market over here, so where people are selling different kinds of food. So here we go, let's roll. Selling the local fish over here, guys. More fish. And this is all the big market over here, guys. Different vendors. You can see how the guy is holding the drinks and he's bringing it. This is all the way of Africa. And here the bananas, the tomatoes. Wow, guys, this is the Burundian style, how people are working hard. Different markets over here as well. This is the main city of Bujumbura, and that's the main traffic station here. And you can see the hustle and bustle going on in Bujumbura town. This is all where the bus stations are, and we are entering is to the local market over here. So welcome to Bujumbura, and we'll show you everything in the market today. This is the famous beach resort. It's called the Van Beach in Burundi, guys. And look at this. Unfortunately, it's been raining here, and it's quite windy over here. And that's all the resorts at the back. That's all. Look at the view. Amazing, guys. Burundi, a lot of YouTubers have said that Burundi is a very, very poor country, but as with my experience, I've seen the people are friendly. Obviously, there is a little bit of poverty, but the country is stable. Fantastic view. So if you're ever in Burundi, guys, this is a good spot to come, and you can book your resort here as well. Look at the view, and there's a nice, lovely swimming pool as well. And there's all the seaside over here. Rough weather today, windy. From the beach, guys, the Van Beach. Lovely view. This is all Burundi. There's a lovely trees over here. Beautiful place. Unfortunately, it was raining. It's all Van Beach in Burundi. Here we go, over and out. In Burundi, we got Bosco with us. If you ever need a taxi, you need to contact Bosco. He's reliable and he's affordable. Hello, Bosco.
Hello, hello. My name is Bosco Frasima. This is my taxi from Burundi.
Bonjour, yeah? He's our taxi driver, guys. And here's our lovely friends, Burundians, coming to the place. What is it called? Bujumbura, yeah? Welcome to Burundi, yeah? Sava? Guys, I'm in a taxi and we're going to this special place where it's like a little forest. So when we reach there, we'll show you all about what the place is all about. So here we go, let's roll from Burundi. You can see the view, guys, from this place. You can see the clouds, how low the clouds are, and this is in Bujumbura as well. We're going to a forest place. You can see, guys, how the truck guys are behind two cyclists, and they're behind the truck. So this is Burundian style. Easy way to go up the hill. We are in Burundi, and this place is called Bukarama in Green Park. It's an amazing little place. We'll show you more of different locations in the Green Park over here. As you can see, this is Green Park, and how the beautiful the area is. Looks just exactly like if you are ever in Scotland. This is in Burundi, and like I said, the place is called Bujumbura, and it's about half an hour drive by a taxi, and the taxis are cheap, which cost you 10,000, oh sorry, 10,000 Burundian money, so which is peanuts if you're comparing to dollars or pound sterling. So let's roll on a different location. This is the Green Park in Burundi, and this is the place is called Bukarama. So this is lovely little resort over here. You can see, so if you're ever in Burundi, it's a must place to come to the Green Park. It looks kind of like Scotland if you're ever here, and it's beautiful. You can see the clouds over here. Unfortunately, it was raining, and our little peacock friend is right over here. 1, 2, 3. Right, guys, we got Innocent. He works here. Innocent, how are you today?
So, for me, my name is Innocent. I am working here in the Green Park. I am a servers. If you prefer something for eating, it's possible. The kitchen is open. If you prefer for something for drinking, the bar is open.
Excellent.
I wish you to come here in the Green Park.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, brother.
Welcome to Green Park Bugarama. I am a working here in the Green Park Bugarama. For me, my working is to save us.
Thank you, brother. And this is all your team here. Hello, everybody. Yay! Thank you. When you're coming to Bujumbura, and this is the whole location, this is the town. This road leads you all the way to the top to the Bujumbura town. And this is all the local markets over here, as you can see. How people are standing and they're waiting for the transportation as well. We are trying is mandazi in Burundi. As you can see, it looks like a donut. We're gonna have the first bite. The guy is eating the donut, and all the people are selling the fruits and different markets. So this is Burundi. Here we go. The cow. This is the view I want. Hopefully I can get a good shot. People are selling bananas, fruits, guys, over here. And we are in the taxi. This is kind of a stopover. We have stopped over here on a car, and as you can see how beautiful and green it is in Burundi. So we have to go to another town which is called Gitega. From Gitega we are going to another town here. This is Gitega town, and this is in Burundi. So from Bujumbura, if you're coming down to this town, it takes you about 2 hours by bus, and we have a lovely guy over here. He'll tell us about the town. How are you, brother? You okay?
I'm fine.
How is your town? Gitega, yeah?
Take is very good.
Yeah?
So when you come, there is a lot of. So make sure if you come in Tega, make sure you bring the jacket.
Oh. Oh, okay.
So there's also drums.
Drums.
Take shoulder. Also there is everything here.
Oh, okay. Thank you, brother. Cheers, man. So guys, if you come here, it's always cool over here, cold. So it's a bit up the hill as well. So make sure you bring your jackets, and this is everything. It is how the town looks. The back view as well. Amazing. Ah, okay. Over and out. now, and you can see the beach at the back where we are going now, and this is all the shops over here. This beach area in Rumongo, and now we are going to the beach, which will show you all the lovely beach in Burundi. So here we go. Yeah. Alright guys, this is Sal. We are in a beautiful spot in Burundi, and this is the tourist beach area. You can see how beautiful the beach is, with the lovely boats over here. And wow, this is amazing, guys. It looks like you're somewhere in Mauritius or Seychelles. A lot of people have done a wrong impression about Burundi, that Burundi is very poor and they don't have nothing. But it's an eye-opener. So this is the real Burundi which I'm witnessing, and I'm sharing this with you. This is all. And I've shown you all the good things about Burundi. So obviously there is poverty in Burundi, but that's only in the rural village. Whereas if you go in the city, there's a lot of beautiful things to show you.
Welcome to tourist town beach Rumongo. Welcome.
Thank you, brother. Wow, guys, you can see how beautiful this place is, and this is a hidden spot. I don't think so many people have ever come around here and showed this. So you can come here and you can hire a boat as well. We'll show you some boats from the side and how people are doing the cooking over here, and there's boat work going on. Amazing spot. We'll take you to the other part of the beach as well, so stay tuned with Sal. Let's rumble. This is the view which I wanted to show you. You can see beautiful, how beautiful. You can see the mountains at the back, and this is in Rumonge district in Burundi. So if you ever want to visit this lovely place, you have to come. It takes you about 2.5 hours, but it's worth a spot, especially if you like to chill out. There's nice hotels over here as well. Amazing. I'll show you the close-up as well. You can see all the boats. Beautiful. In Burundi, guys, it's very cheap to buy anything, but the cost of food for the local is quite pricey as well. This is how the place looks. Amazing. You can see people are chilling out. This is all the background as well. Burundi, if you first time when you come to Burundi, you come to the airport, they do not accept credit card, guys. So make sure if you're visiting Burundi, make sure you bring US dollars, but bring $100 bills. If you have loose change, you don't get a better exchange rate. So you have to also haggle around with different cash bureaus to get a better rate. So just give you a heads up. When you're in the airport, you pay $90 for 1 month visa fees. That's what they charge you, but they charge you in dollars. So there is no cards. Credit cards are not accepted in Burundi easily, only Visa. So if you have a MasterCard, it's not accepted in Burundi. I had the same issue, so I was stuck. Then I had to change money and give the hotel people to buy coffee. So this is a bit of the inside from Burundi. This is Sal from Here We Go Foodie.